Yup. So this is going to be picking up essentially from the video that I just did about the window tint. So let me cut this lower motor down, that way y'all can hear me. So I went to Walmart and I found this. And actually a guy on one of the groups on Facebook actually installed this in his truck, and it looked really good. So it's a single den. It's got Apple CarPlay, the whole 9 yards. It's 140 bucks at Walmart. Got the dash kit. I hope this one works. I don't know if it will. We'll find out. And then I got the harness adapter. It says it'll work for this one. So like I said, this is a learning process. So where we at? Silverado. It's from 95 to 02, and this is a 97. So I think we'll be good. But yeah, essentially I don't really like huge radios. Like, and the thing about the huge radio is at night they're just so bright. Like, it takes your eyes. Like, I want to look at the radio. So this is why I went with this one. It's nice and small. Matter of fact, let me unbox it. That way everybody can see before we slap this bad boy in. And I don't even know if this is a good brand. 440 bucks, and I do apologize. I don't have my tripod. It's in the GMC. So yeah, there it is there. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off. Real quick, like one-handed. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come over there. Bear with me, fellas. Bear with me. So here it is. Nice single den. I think it's going to look really good. So what we got to do is we got to pop this dash bezel off. Get this thing taken apart. That way we can see exactly what's going on. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to replace the cubby unless it comes in the dash kit. I'm not 100% sure, but if it don't, I'll order one off Amazon and we'll get that CD player taken out. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start taking this thing apart, and then once I get it apart and in, I'll show you guys the finished product. But I think it's going to look really good. It's going to be nice to have Apple CarPlay in this truck. I know that's a game changer, especially being the older vehicles. So yeah, once I get it in there, I will pick the video back up and show you guys exactly how it looks. Like I said, real cheap, 140 bucks. I think I paid $170 for everything you see here at Walmart. It's like a budget radio essentially, because I mean, you can get a standard single den radio with the buttons, no screen on it, for like 100. So this one's only 40 more bucks, so you really can't beat it. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this thing apart, and once I get this one in there, I will pick the video back up and show you guys how it turns out. All right, fellas, we got this thing in there, and let me just say, it turned out way better than what I was expecting. So yeah, I mean, there's really not much else to do except show you guys how it looks. So here it is in all its glory. Everything's in there. Still got the screen protector on the screen. I'm gonna leave that on there as long as possible because I don't want it to mess up. But yeah, we got Apple CarPlay, all that good stuff. I mean, Spotify. And it loads up pretty quick too. I mean, I think it's gonna be great. Like I said, I don't really like a huge screen. We got Google Maps. I mean, I think it's gonna be great. And with this one here, you can actually dim the screen. I know on the one in the Sierra, it won't let me dim the screen, and that's the main thing that I really don't like about the big screens. Like the Ram, I can dim that screen too, but the GMC with that double dent, it won't let me. So that's the main thing that I really don't like about it, man. It's not being able to dim the screen at night. So this one didn't come with the cubby for the CD player. I did run my cord. I ran it through the cup holder for now, but once I get the cubby for this here, I'm gonna drill a hole through there and then run my USB from the radio there. But for now, this will work. But yeah, I mean, if any of you guys are interested in doing it, I think it's definitely worth it. And you're not gonna be covering up your climate control like that one radio I had in the GMC did. That's one thing I didn't want to do, was cover all this stuff up here or make it hard to get to. This looks more like a factory finish, honestly. I mean, it turned out really well. It fits really good. No gaps or anything like that. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. And it sounds good. I would play some music, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Sounds pretty good. This isn't a super expensive radio, so it's not gonna blow your eardrums. I mean, it's not you know, anything like that, but it gets the job done for what I need. But yeah, if any of you guys are interested in doing it, you know, a little budget radio, and then you got Apple CarPlay, the whole 9 yards, I would definitely check it out. Like I said, I paid under $200 for everything I needed. That was the radio, the dash kit, and then the wiring harness, and I got everything at Walmart. I'll leave a link in the description for this stuff here. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button. Like I said, we got a lot more stuff coming for this thing. Next thing's probably gonna be floor mats, because that one over there, they're turning brown. They used to be gray. I think I left them out in the sun too long and they got cooked. But yeah, I need to get some floor mats, which is not really gonna help, because as you can see, the carpet isn't the best. But you know, we got a lot of stuff planned for this thing. Headliner, we gotta do the headliner, because this one is like completely gone. I done tore most of the fabric off except underneath the visors. I'm gonna finish ripping that stuff down. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the radio. I'm kind of digging the single din. You know, double din, everybody has it. You don't see a lot of people with these, so wanted to be a little bit different. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.